This is Melissa with Kerr County AC and Heating. Today we're going to talk about hard start kits. Have you ever noticed that your lights flicker when your heater or your air conditioner kicks on? This happens when the condensing unit, otherwise known as your outdoor unit, turns on because electricity is pulled away from it momentarily to support the enormous power draw required to turn on your unit. Installing a hard start kit can alleviate the strain on the compressor during startup, reducing voltage drops and preventing lights from flickering. Years ago, every AC was equipped with a hard start kit. However, manufacturers have since decided to remove them as they are expensive. Today, many people choose to install a hard start kit in their air conditioner or their heat pump system after the fact. There are several benefits to this upgrade. So let's start with, what is a hard start kit? A hard start kit is a capacitor that is gentle on the AC or heat pump compressor, which is ideal if it's not in its best shape. The compressor is the hardest working component in the air conditioner or the heat pump system. It kicks on whenever cooling or heating is required. The summer and cold winter can be incredibly demanding on AC and heat pump compressors, so much so that they might start to degrade. Unfortunately, the AC or heat pump won't be able to generate cool or warm air without a working compressor. Before replacing the compressor altogether, which can get expensive, one may want to invest in a hard start kit instead. The benefits of hard start kits. The benefits of the kit are multiple. Here are some reasons why it is advantageous to install a hard start kit. It can prolong the life of the AC or the heat pump system. When the compressor has degraded, it may be time to replace it. At this point, it's often recommended to replace other parts of the unit as well. The cost of so many replacements can quickly add up and turn out to be almost as expensive as getting a new system. In comparison, installing a hard start kit can prolong the life of the compressor and the AC or heat pump system as a whole. The AC or heat pump has to turn the compressor on more often, and in turn, the utility bills increase. To counter that, installing a hard start kit in the unit can keep energy usage more stable. And thirdly, it can improve efficiency. A degraded compressor is one that has a hard time starting. It could use a helping hand, and this is what a hard start kit can do. It improves the efficiency of the unit by enabling the compressor to turn on faster. Since the compressor has to work the hardest in the first couple of seconds, a hard start kit can alleviate much of that effort. The improved efficiency also reduces wear and tear on components other than the compressor. Hard start kits are relatively affordable and easy to install upgrade that will extend the life of your compressor, increase energy efficiency, and prevent damage to the breaker panel and other expensive electrical components. Be sure to ask your HVAC technician during your next appointment, or call to schedule an appointment to discuss adding a hard start kit to your HVAC system. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a good rest of your day.